talk to you.
Huh?
All right, guys. I'm here with my friend Edwin. We're just doing a little self-driving, letting the Tesla drive us in the fog, in the rain, construction zone. We're on Route 9W in New York, which is a pretty windy mountain road. We're up, not sure exactly the elevation, but it's up on a small little mountain here. And we'll see how we do. Pretty much all the challenging conditions we could have for FSD, right? Construction, messed up roads, rain, fog. I guess we could come back at night maybe and try it then and make it even worse, but we'll see. If we crash, I'll blame it on Edwin. So far it's been flawless. Even with some of these cones sticking out in the center line, we have to move over a little bit in the lane. Let's see if we have any of those coming up. Yeah, watch out for that tree that fell down. I don't know what they're actually doing here. Uh-oh. Nice. We threaded our way right through that fallen construction cone. And we're maintaining a pretty good clip too. We're doing 51, which is you know, we're not taking it slow, I would say. No problem. See that? FSD can do anything. Alright. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.